Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. The battle for the Purvanchal Assembly seat has intensified ahead of the 2022 Uttar Pradesh polls, with the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party going all out to win the majority. The Samajwadi Party poaching leaders, including sitting MLAs from BJP and Bahujan Samaj Party. Interestingly, some prominent Brahmin leaders joined the Samajwadi Party in Lucknow on Sunday. The leaders who switched to SP in the presence of party chief Akhilesh Yadav at the party office include Hari Shankar Tiwari's son Vinay Shankar Tiwari, a BSP MLA from Chilupar seat of Gorakhpur, and Kushal Tiwari, who is a former MP from Sant Kabir Nagar. The BJP has been focusing on the Purvanchal Assembly seat with maximum rallies by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and several development projects for the region. Meanwhile, the Samajwadi Party has successfully poached some big political names from the key region, including the Mukhtar Ansari and Hari Shankar Tiwari families. The SP has also forged an alliance with smaller parties, including Om Prakash Rajbhar's led Suhel Dev Bharatiya Samaj Party, which is said to have a good hold in many districts of the Purvanchal region. Sources have revealed that at least 9 sitting MLAs of BJPs were in touch with the SP top leadership and may soon switch over to Samajwadi Party. Santosh Tiwari, the BSP candidate from Karnelganj, switched to SP, and former Legislative Council Chairman Ganesh Shankar Pandey. However, the most talked about name was BJP MLA from Khalilabad, Digvijay Narayan alias Jay Chaubey, who joined the SP today. The switchover by Jay Chaubey is seen as a big setback to the BJP in Purvanchal. Nephew of a BJP MP from Kushinagar is also expected to join the SP. Speaking to media after the joining SP, the Chilupar MLA Vinay Shankar Tiwari said the BJP government has formed the government only for the ruling state. If anyone speaks against the government, he is sent to jail. Mutual brotherhood has ended in the entire state. Only people from a certain caste are being recruited in police stations, police outposts, and other recruitments. There have been a lot of atrocities against the people from Brahmin society. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Sundar reporting for iScope Media.